Missing someone.
Hello everyone, what is up and welcome back to my channel. It's me, Marisa here, and if you cannot tell, I am back at school in Kent and I am really excited. Today starts the spring semester, so I'm going to do a little week in my life vlog for you guys. I am pretty excited to get the day going. Today is Monday, January 13th. And Mondays and Wednesdays I only have 2 classes, and I also start every day at 11 for right now. Today I have 1 class at 11 o'clock, and then after that I have a break, and then I have 1 class at 2:15. So yeah, and then later tonight I have a magazine meeting for the magazine that I am on. I am on the editorial board, which is really exciting. Yeah, I was gonna show you guys my day basically, and I really hope you guys enjoy. But if you are new here, hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Marissa. I upload weekly beauty, lifestyle, and college related videos to my channel. So if you're not subscribed, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe while you're here. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and yeah, let's go see my. So really quick, I wanted to do a outfit of the day. Yeah, so I'm wearing this really cute cream sweater from American Eagle. It is so soft and so cozy. I absolutely love it. So yeah, I wanted to wear a sweater today. I thought it was like really cute and nice. And then I'm wearing these jeans. They have little rips in them from American Eagle, and then my black Sperry boots. And then for jewelry, I'm just wearing my normal Pandora rings, my Alex and Ani's, my Apple Watch, and just some Bella earrings. So yeah, I am really excited to get the day going, and we're gonna start off with some breakfast because I am starving and I miss my dining hall's yogurt. Alright, so I just finished breakfast. I had my really good bacon spinach omelet. The yogurt was a little weird today. I don't think it was good, so I didn't really eat it. But yeah, I'm walking to my dance class now, and yeah. Hi! How was your break?
It was good.
I missed you.
I miss you too.
Love you. Hello everyone. So I just got back from my first class and I grabbed lunch at one of the dining halls and it was okay. I don't miss campus food, but like it's fine. Just got back to the dorm. I'm with Ash. She's going to like do like big girl stuff. Pick up her parking pass.
Let's hope I don't have a ticket.
I have to go catch a bus for my next class in like 20 minutes or so. But yeah, it's like a journey, and then after that I have a magazine meeting, so I'm just gonna like stay down on front campus because like I'm not gonna take a bus and then take a bus back. Yeah, I will let you guys know what else is going on exciting. Okay guys, I just got Boar's Head with Tim and Ashley, like always. First one of the semester. Do you have anything to say? No.
Still don't be me.
Wise words of Tim. Hey guys, so I just got back from getting dinner with a couple friends, and I have a Romwe package to unpack from. I ordered like over a week ago, so I'm really excited to open it. But I'm gonna do like a whole like try on haul of it. It might be up before this vlog. So yeah, I'm gonna try this stuff on right now because I'm really glad it finally came in. But then we're gonna watch The Bachelor, Pilot Pete. We're gonna see what happens with Miss Hannah Brown. We are excited to watch. Like I literally cannot wait. So yeah, it's kind of been a long day, but like I'll talk to you guys like later about my day. So. Okay, hi guys. So we've had kind of a failed night here. I went to unbox my stuff from Romwe. Literally only got like a couple good things out of it. Like I really only love my jean jacket. Tops that I got, like they fit okay. They're just not what I expected, I guess. The belts that I got literally like barely even fit. And like the chain one that I got, like it, like I don't even understand. Like it's so weird. But I gave Ashley one of the shirts, so she'll get to enjoy it, and it looks good on her. So now I'm going to have some snacks. I have some Jif power-ups. These are really good. I got my lemon water. That was the first purchase with my declining balance, was lemon juice, and I have Chex Mix from home. So we are going to enjoy some snacks, and we couldn't even watch The Bachelor because like I use like my Xfinity login from home, but I have to be connected to home Wi-Fi to watch that channel, which is whack. Like what? So my mom's recording it for us so we can watch it at 10 o'clock.
but very upset because I was like really looking forward to it, but like it's fine. So yeah, I'm gonna eat some snacks and then watch The Bachelor a little bit.
Hi guys, so good morning. Today is Tuesday. It is the second day of classes, and so today I start my Tuesday, Thursday classes. I have 3 classes today. I'm done at 5 o'clock. So yeah, I will take you guys around with me. It is now 10 o'clock. I start at 11 again. And me and Ash are gonna grab some breakfast at the notorious Eastway. And then we're going to be on our way. So I will talk to you guys throughout the day. Okay, sorry, I forgot to do my outfit of the day. Haha. Today I'm wearing this cute sweater from Victoria's Secret. It's really adorable. I love it. And then I'm wearing black jeans from American Eagle and my little booties from JCPenney. And then I am wearing my Victoria's Secret black bralette and just some earrings and my Apple Watch. So yeah, we are excited and ready to go in my lovely, beautiful parka for the weather. Haha. So I got French toast for breakfast and it's literally not cooked. Like, do you see this? Nasty. It's not cooked. That half maybe a little more. This half, no, bye. It is really sunny. Okay, hi guys. So I'm walking with Ashley. Hi. And I'm going to my nutrition class. She's going to her ballet class. This piece of hair is in my face. And it's like right next to each other, which is fun. So yeah, yay. Okay, hey guys, just wanted to pop on really quickly. I got back from my nutrition class and just came back to the dorm for a little bit to kind of relax for a bit, and now I'm going to meet Ashley for lunch. And then after that, I have my peer leader training course, which I'm really excited for, and then I have interpersonal communication, and then I will be done for the day. So I'll probably update you guys again like after all my classes, and yeah, I will let you know how they went, how I like them, and nutrition was pretty good. My professor is super nice, which makes me feel a little bit better because I'm not very good at science and that kind of thing. So yeah, I will talk to you guys in a bit. Hi guys, so I just got back from getting some dinner. I ordered to go from the patio. I got a big box of mac and cheese and I'm so excited to eat her up. And yeah, I literally called it in to go because I was like, I don't want to like sit there by myself, you know? Oh, it's about to be so good. I'm so excited. Oh, and it's seasoned.
Oh, really?
Yeah, that looks so good. This literally looks so good. Like, I am so excited to eat her up. Yay! Alright, hey again guys, so I finished my dinner. I tidied up my room a little bit. I tried to put some clothes away like I wore today. And now I just imported the other clips from like the vlog from the past couple days to free up storage from my phone and my computer. And then I think I'm going to do a little bit of reading for a couple of my classes. It feels so weird like not having work yet, and it feels weird not being like completely like swarmed busy. Really, I feel like this semester a lot of what I'm gonna have to do is a lot of reading and studying, which I really don't mind. I'm a good pacer. I know when to pace myself with deadlines, and if I can honestly kind of get ahead now, I think I would honestly be pretty good for like a while at least, if not the whole semester. So that's pretty good. So yeah, so today I had a few good classes. So my first class was my nutrition class. I was kind of nervous about it at first, but my professor is so nice, so I feel pretty good about it. And then I went to my peer leader training course, which is basically a class that Kent State requires students to take if they want to be like an RA or a flash guide or an orientation leader. We don't have to take it to be a tour guide, but they say it is useful. Or student success leaders, that kind of thing. So there's a lot of opportunities like with this course, and I really would love to be a flash guide. Literally, like after I went to orientation, I was like, I really want to do that. So that's why I'm taking the course, to hopefully get that job for the summer. But anyway, so that is super fun. So many cool people in there that I'm so excited to get to know even more. And then I went to my interpersonal communication class, which I actually have with a professor that I had last semester, which is pretty cool. So I kind of know a lot of how he works in a way, which is nice. The only thing I'm really worried about his class is going to be more of the taking notes and the actual exam aspect of it, because I don't know, I feel like with interpersonal communication, which if you do not know is a study of relationships in all forms, so romantic, friendships, family, that kind of thing,
It's between 2 people or 3 people. After 3, it turns into group communication. But I'm a little nervous just for his exams. I know we do pop quizzes, like that kind of thing, because I had him last semester. But the class I had with him last semester was like an introduction to my major, so it wasn't really like an actual like course with like actual like material, I guess you can say. He just kind of was like go with the flow, that kind of thing. We didn't have exams, so I'm a little nervous for that part of it. But like other than that, like I'm pretty happy. I mean, like I'm comfortable asking him like if I have a question, so like it's not like if I'm unsure like on what I need to be doing, like I can definitely go to him. So yeah, it should be good, and I'm really interested in the actual subject of interpersonal communication. Yeah, other than that, pretty good. I like all my classes, which is awesome.
Okay, hey guys, so I finished getting a shower and I'm pretty much like just ready for bed at this point. I'm going to read a little bit of my nutrition textbook just to kind of get ahead on that reading, and yeah, we're going to go to bed and I will see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, good morning. Today is Wednesday. Just finished getting ready and I am ready to go grab some breakfast and then do my classes for the day. Today I have dance in my college writing class. So yeah, exciting. I'm pretty hungry this morning. I want to get an omelet, I think, and hopefully some yogurt. Hopefully like they're not closing up breakfast already because it's a little after 10. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys my outfit and then I'm gonna be on my way. So for today's outfit, I decided to do pretty like comfy casual. So I'm just wearing this really cute Victoria's Secret sweatshirt. It's kind of like a towel material, but I really like it, and a matching scrunchie. Like it literally matches so good. Then I'm just wearing my favorite leggings from Aerie, my black Sperry boots, and these boot socks from American Eagle. And then for jewelry, I'm just wearing my Apple Watch and some earrings. So yeah, today it really won't be that long of a day. I'm done at 3:30 today. So yeah, I'm gonna go grab some breakfast now and I will catch up with you guys later. Okay guys, I just finished a healthy lunch with Ashley. I got a salad and a quesadilla and I'm very happy about it. So yeah. Ashley got fruit. So we just had 2 very awkward experiences.
Very awkward eye contact.
Awkward eye contact, an awkward wave, an awkward side eye contact from another person. Yeah. But I got a hot chocolate. You know, it's fine. So now I'm gonna go to class. That was really weird.
I just never know what to do in your vlogs.
This is also awkward. Okay, goodbye. Okay, hey guys, I haven't updated I think in a bit, but I got back from my college writing 2 class, and then me and Ash went to the gym, and now we're gonna go to Prentice and get some dinner with our friend Hannah. I'll see if she wants to be in the vlog. But yeah, this was my gym fit. So yeah, yay.
We just got dinner. So much for a diet. But we had like salmon, it was really good. And I got a smoothie now because I want fruit, so.
Okay, we have a dilemma. It's literally pouring down rain. We don't want to walk. We knew this was gonna happen, but we didn't want to believe it, you know?
Oh, I'm sorry, Hannah. We had another awkward dinner.
That's her own fault, but it was more with me.
What's the word in our calendar?
Encounter.
Encounter?
Weird, I don't know. But these are good, so.
Very good.
Yeah.
Hey guys, today is Thursday. I'm running a little bit late today, but that is okay. Sorry I didn't update the vlog last night. I was really tired. After we got back, I kind of like did my own thing. But yeah, so today I have 3 classes, and I will take you guys with me again. And yeah, so I'll show you guys my outfit in a sec. But yeah, I'm running late. Love it. My outfit, I am just wearing this really cute cardigan from American Eagle, and then I am wearing this cute little turtleneck top that I got from American Eagle as well underneath, and then I'm just wearing my Aerie leggings and my Sperry boots, some earrings, and I just have a scrunchie in my hair. So yeah, pretty simple today, but still really cute, I think, and very cozy. It's freezing outside. It's finally snowing, which is kind of annoying because the past 2 days it's
been like over 50 degrees, so it's been like really, really warm, and now it's just freezing. So yeah, I'm going to get lunch in a bit, eventually, and yeah, then I have 2 more classes for today, and that is about it. So yeah, I will keep you guys updated.
Finally snowing in Kent, Ohio. It's freezing.
All right, guys, today we are at dinner. And I got this really good, what's it called? What is it called? Margarita sandwich. It's super good. And some chicken tortilla soup. Same with Ash. And then I'm with Hannah. Oh my gosh, I almost dropped my phone. Oh my gosh. Okay, hi, we're good. Yeah, update.
Alright guys, good morning everyone. Today is Friday, and I'm probably just like not gonna vlog today. I just woke up and it is 11 o'clock, just about, because I do not have classes on Fridays most weeks. For my dance class, I will only have 4 Friday classes the whole semester, which is pretty nice. So this week I do not have it, and then next week I will. And just like for a little like dance lab, that's it. It's really simple, kind of like a little exercise class in a way. Pretty much today I'm just gonna be cleaning around the dorm. I don't need to do laundry yet, so I'll probably do that next Friday. I'm gonna go to the gym, and then tonight I have a magazine reading with my magazine. And then I think I'm gonna hang out with some friends tonight. So really like nothing's happening. I was gonna vlog today, but like since like my classes are technically over, it's kind of like a weekend day for me. So yeah, and then Monday we're also off. Yeah, I'm probably gonna end the video here. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video.